Before you begin, remove the base cover. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the solid-state drive cable for later replacement. Disconnect the solid-state drive cable from the connector on the system board and remove it from the routing channel on the middle frame. Loosen the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the solid-state drive assembly to the middle frame. Lift the solid-state drive assembly off of the middle frame and remove. Replacement. Align the screws on the solid-state drive assembly with the screw holes in the middle frame and place it into position. Tighten the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the solid-state drive assembly to the middle frame. Connect the solid-state drive cable into the connector on the system board and route it through the routing channel on the middle frame.